Hello everyone, my name is Nelly and today I'm gonna show you what SprutCAM Knowledge Base is. SprutCAM Knowledge Base is a place where you can find all the information about SprutCAM, tutorials, videos, instructions, features. To get there, just open your browser and enter here kb.sprutcam.com. You'll get to the page of the spaces in Confluence. We need the SprutCAM Knowledge Base space. This is the main page of our knowledge base. You don't need to log in. This is open source. The navigation is simple. On the left side of the screen you can see the shortcuts and the other side is the main screen. So here you can see the search toolbar, featured links, latest articles and popular labels. In featured links, here would be added some more links or something like folders in which there would be related articles or whole courses like this one. Here you can see the 8 tutorials for the beginners. So if we open one of them, we will see the tutorial, and in some of these tutorials we have some attached files to make this tutorial. On the left side, shortcuts, search for solution. Here on this page, we can select some of the tags that are attached to the articles. So select robot, video 11. For example, robot rotating table. This is also something like tutorial. Also, in search toolbar, it is the same as on main screen. We can enter, for example, XML. Here is the article, and it is, as you can see, without videos, but with some text and pictures. The second link here is SprutCAM user manual. It is user guide. Also, you can see here the same tutorials for beginners from the featured from the main screen. And the last here for now is last 7 days updates. Here you always can see some material that was added for the last 7 days. You always can contact us by using this button, provide feedback. It works on each page in knowledge base. So please enter the summary, description and email and name so we could know who written this and to get contact with you. For now, we are adding tutorials that we have by ourselves and using some of your materials too, but we need your help for making our base a bit bigger to get really all in one place. So if you are ready to help us, we are ready to provide you the knowledge base access rights that will give you the ability to add content to the base. So push the button of feedback and leave a request to be a contributor. So that's all for now. Thank you for watching and goodbye.